Hello and welcome to the second and final part of our video series on what Bitcoin is. Previously, I explained some fundamentals of how Bitcoin works. Now let us focus on what makes Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency unique. As I mentioned in the previous video, that Bitcoin shares SHA-256 to verify its transactions. SHA-256 is a 256-bit security whose encryption cannot be accessed without the recipients having a key. If, for example, a person shows you a list of transactions and says that he found a special number which is put at the end of these transactions and applies SHA-256 to this number, the first 30 digits of this output are all zeros. How difficult would it be to calculate that number? The probability that the cryptographic hash function starts with 30 zeros is 1 in a billion. The only way to find this number is by guessing and checking. After the number is identified, you just run the hash and check if that there are 30 zeros. Hence, you can verify that the computer did a large amount of work without having to do it yourself. This is called proof of work. All of this is tied to the previous list of transactions, and even if there is a slight change in one transaction, the hash would be changed. The original idea behind the Bitcoin paper was to trust the ledger which has the most work put into it. That is done by organizing each ledger into a block, in which each block consists of a list of transactions combined with a proof of work, which is a special number so that the hash of each block starts with a bunch of zeros. For example, it has to start with 60 zeros. A block is only considered valid if it has proof of work. In order for blocks to be in order, one block has to contain the hash of the previous block in its header. In order to change any one of the blocks, that would require you to change all of the previous blocks. As the blocks are chained together like this, it is called a blockchain. Anyone in the world can be a block creator. That means that they will listen to transactions occurring, list them in a block, and do a significant amount of computational effort to find that special number that starts with 60 zeros. Once they have found it, they will share the block that they have found with everyone else. In order to reward a block creator for all this work, they are given X amount of Bitcoins, which is added to this block as a transaction. This is known as the block reward. This adds to the total number of blocks in circulation. The total number of Bitcoins increases with each new block. Creating blocks is known as mining. So now if someone mentions that they mine Bitcoins, you would actually know about the whole process of what is happening. Remember to do your own research before you want to buy Bitcoins or start any type of mining, as I am not a financial expert advisor. If you are enjoying this video, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for the latest crypto news, trends, and much more. Hit the bell icon so that you never miss out on any of our videos.